Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi nĩoritie ateti maunire kanua ithige uteti-ini uria ukoretwo kuo na merekerie mahinya mao hari kurutira muingi wira. Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ma Martha wa Mbui uria ni nyina wa mũmbunge wa Kigumo Ruth Mwaniki, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto nĩoritie ateti metheme na uteti utari na kiguni.
Na sisi wote tumeungana kwamba hatuna haja na hatutaki tena siasa itakayogawanya wananchi, siasa ya kuweka chuki, siasa ya ukabila, hatuna haja nayo.
Rita na riri nĩrĩnyitirwo mbaru ni atongoria arĩa mauma mathiko-ini maya.
Kila siku nia yetu ni kuhakikisha kwamba tunabadilisha maisha ya mwananchi wa kawaida.
Tumesema sisi kama wabunge, mambo ya 2022 itakuja baadaye. In fact mimi nimejipea kazi nyingine. Nataka kwenda kwa kila simu ya mheshimiwa mbunge na kwa kompyuta yake. Ile imeleta shida ni only two numbers. Out from 0 to 10 ni 2 na 0.
Tuko pamoja na nyinyi, tuko nyuma yenu kuhakikisha ya kwamba ile agenda ambayo muliomba kura na rais wetu mulipozunguka Kenya mzima tutawashikilia, tutasimama pamoja na nyinyi.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, ndereti ya uthami wa andu kuuma mutitu-ini wa Mau no ithiite na mbere na gutumura mawoni kiondo rita muno makiria kuuma kuri ateti kuuma miahu itiganite ya kiuteti. Abunge kuuma kaunti-ini ya Narok maugite ni maranyita mbaru mihang'o ino no njira iria irahuthirwo kurutura andu mutitu-ini uyu ndiri na umundu.
We support the government position in conserving the Mau. The only bit we are saying is that when people, the humane, the way their people are being removed, they should have a human face.
We are saying that those people who are actually being removed should also be removed in a humane manner. They should not be harassed. These are Kenyans who shall not be subjected to any suffering.
Abunge ni moritie thirikari ithurime ukinyaniru wa taito imwe cia migunda amukuri na andu mari na taito cia ma.
And those title deeds were given out by the government officials. So it is upon the government to see how to assist these people because they did not give themselves a title deeds. They were given by the government.
Anybody within the cat life should be considered as an encroacher of the forest and a thief and should be treated as such. But those with genuine title deeds to be verified and to be compensated. Verification for the government will take one day. The title deeds are there.
Ndereti ino ironekana kuiga hatika-ini urumwe wa kiama kia Jubilee thutha wa atongoria thirikari-ini kuonekana makiregana na mutaratara uyu. Ikinya riri ria thirikari ria guthamia aikari kuma mutitu-ini wa Mau nĩrĩo rĩonekete gukorwo ari kihumo kinene kia ngucanio cia kiuteti kuria atongoria amwe monekete makinyita ritana riri mbaru na aria angi kurimenereria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.